In today's video, I will be using AI to edit the script I create for a faceless YouTube video. To write the script, I will be using ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for the YouTube idea that you have in mind. For this example, I have asked ChatGPT to write a full 5-minute YouTube script for a video of famous places to visit in Dubai as a tourist. As you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing and writing out the full script for us. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is a time-consuming process, but using ChatGPT can expedite the time it takes to create your script. ChatGPT has gone ahead and created a full-length YouTube script for us. The script starts off by saying, "Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the amazing city of Dubai, one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Dubai is located in the United Arab Emirates and is famous for its luxurious lifestyle, stunning architecture, and beautiful landscapes. In this video, we will be sharing with you the top 5 must-visit places in Dubai that every tourist should check out." If you wanted to expand any of these specific sections, you could copy that section, paste it in, and ask ChatGPT to expand that paragraph. As you can see, ChatGPT will go ahead and expand that paragraph for you. It's effortless for you to get a long and in-depth script using ChatGPT, and you can expand it as much as you like and then remove any content which you don't want to include in that video. Once you've extended your YouTube script and are happy with the overall script, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Pictory.ai, the tool we'll be using to turn our script into a video. In my opinion, this is one of the best script-to-video tools you can use, and they make it very intuitive and easy to use. There's a link in the description for a free trial of Pictory.ai if you want to try it out. Once you're on Pictory.ai, there are a couple of ways in which you can turn your content into videos. You can do article to videos, edit your videos using text, or you could do visuals to video. But for this example, we'll be using the script to video template. To get started, go ahead and click Proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, you'll paste the full script for your YouTube video. Pictory.ai offers a wide range of video styles to choose from, such as animated, live action, and whiteboard. For this example, let's say we've selected the animated style. Pictory.ai allows you to fully customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand and aesthetic. You can proceed to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to your video. Pictory.ai has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from. However, if you have your own music or sound effects that you'd like to use, you can also upload them. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, you can then upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating engaging scripts for YouTube videos and other content. With Pictory.ai, turning your script into a video is a breeze, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team. Using ChatGPT and Pictory.ai can save you a lot of time and effort in creating high-quality videos for your YouTube channel. So, give it a try and see how it can help you create more engaging and professional videos for your channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.